Alright guys, welcome back to Mud and Rust. I'm here today with my lawnmower because it will not start. I'm going to take you guys through some quick troubleshooting that I'm going through right now to try to figure out why it won't start. Alright, so we've already been through a little bit of troubleshooting. You can see here's what it does. No start. Now we've got the intake off, pulled the air filter out, and we've already gone through this, but I'm going to show you guys what I did to kind of get myself to where I am so far. So the first thing we did, and you can do this with a rag, I didn't feel like getting a rag. This is just a cap full of gas. We're going to take it and we're going to hold it right here. I'm going to do my best to hold this and work the key and try to pour the gas, but what we're going to do is pour a little bit of gas in here and you'll see the motor. So there's it turning. Do my best to get this little thing set up so you guys can see kind of what I do. Alright, so you heard it fire off. That means that we have spark and the motor will run. So the motor will run. We have a fuel issue for fuel not getting into the motor. So the next thing we did, this is the fuel pump. We pulled this off here. This is a vacuum operated fuel pump. So pull this little doodad here off. See here in just a minute. Turn the key on. You can see that we are pumping fuel from the fuel pump. So got fuel going to the engine. It will not fire for some reason, so with us manually putting fuel in, it fires off. So it's going to point me to the carburetor, which is where we're going to head next. Got to pull this cover off before we get there though. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys a little bit of quick troubleshooting to help troubleshoot your mower. About an hour later, and one stuck fuel bowl later. So we're back in business.